The Waterdrop 15UA under-sink filter is designed to deliver clean and fresh water directly from your kitchen faucet by effectively reducing contaminants such as lead and chlorine. Its innovative multi-stage filtration system ensures that you have access to pure water without the need for bottled alternatives, making it both an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Certified by IAPMO against NSF ANSI standards, this filter is made from premium BPA-free and lead-free materials, providing reliable and safe water filtration. With a service life of up to 16,000 gallons or 24 months, this under-sink filter allows for long-term use without frequent replacements. Installation of the Waterdrop 15UA is user-friendly, featuring a push-to-connect design that can be completed in less than 3 minutes, with filter replacements taking just 3 seconds. The filter's fast flow rate supports multiple uses, making it ideal for drinking, cooking, skincare, and cleaning in various settings, from households to offices and RVs.